In a Buffalo cancer ward in the 1950s, a physicist made a discovery no one was ready for. Iron particles injected into tumors would heat up under a magnetic field. The idea was forgotten for 50 years, but the seed was planted. Magnetism could be a scalpel, delivered wirelessly from outside the body. In 2010, a researcher asked a radical question. What if instead of killing cells, those particles could wake neurons up? 1 pulse, 2 degrees of warmth, a neuron fired. Then came 2017, MIT Building 13. Polina Anikeeva powered on a magnetic coil. Particles inside a mouse brain absorbed the field. Behavior changed on command. No surgery, no wires. Here is what that moment actually means. 10 million people have Parkinson's. 80 million have depression that no drug can touch. Current surgery means drilling into the skull. Magnetothermal stimulation promises something almost unthinkable. 1 injection, an outpatient clinic. Then a wireless coil speaks to particles already waiting inside the brain. Think of it like a TV remote for individual brain circuits. The remote is a magnetic coil. The nanoparticles are already inside, waiting for the signal you send from across the room. Polina Anikeeva built this tool in part because she watched a family member lose neurological autonomy. When colleagues said it wasn't serious science, she kept going. The same iron oxide in these nanoparticles has been FDA approved in human brains for 30 years as MRI contrast agents. The safety story is already partially written. Now the race is global. The US and China are filing patents simultaneously. $1.8 billion committed worldwide. The IP window is closing fast. But the hardest question isn't scientific. If nanoparticles persist in your brain for years, who controls the coil? Can a stimulation session be started remotely, over a network? The nanoparticle is smaller than a virus. The field passes through your skull like sunlight through glass. Subscribe. We cover breakthroughs like this before everyone else. See you next one.